I minored in theater in college, and so I've taken classes all over the place. I chose the Acting Center because when I first came here, it was a very positive environment. From the very first class that I observed, I saw that it was only encouragement. At the Acting Center, you don't get a lot of criticism. When people say that you need to be criticized to get better, I understand that. I mean, I questioned that a little bit when I first came here, but they say that you're your own worst critic, and that's the truth. And so you don't really need anyone else to do it for you. And the truth is we criticize ourselves way too much. And so here we get to step away from that. It's not about being perfect, it's about being. Here at the Acting Center, they always say that acting is just being. You're being a person. And a lot of times when you're getting criticized, it's one person telling you their view on how you should do things. And I think that as an artist, you have to trust yourself, and you have to have a vision, and you have to have a story that you're telling. If I do something and it sucks, I mean, you kind of know it. You don't, you don't need someone to tell you, but also you learn from those experiences, and so you can learn from it more. I'm much more open to learning from something here when it's a positive environment, and no one's looking for those things. They're not looking for the wrong things that you're doing, and so you're really able to just explore and try a lot of different ways to do things, and that's really how you find how you tell your story, is not just be told one way to do something by one teacher as if it's the end-all be-all. They prepare you for what to do in real life, like when you get an audition. These are exercises that you can do by yourself. The Acting Center technique definitely helps me have a lower stress level on set than I did before I was taking classes here, and compared to other actors who take classes elsewhere sometimes, because other methods and techniques are sometimes a little bit stressful for people, and here it's just very natural. I've learned what to do and I can handle it. If I get a redirection, I know what to do with it right away. I don't have to go back and do all these complicated things, complicated techniques to figure it out. And I don't have to ask a lot of questions about it. That's another thing, is that I'm just more certain. I know what to do. There's no question about it. This is the only time I've actually consistently kept going to a class, and I think that says something. Wow, I'm actually, I'm doing a lot of characters and I'm making progress, and I didn't have that feeling in any other class. Now that I've been in an ongoing class here at the Acting Center, I don't feel rusty. Like when I get an audition, I'm excited about it, I'm ready to go. I feel prepared. I feel like I know what to do. I know what story I'm telling and how I'm gonna tell it. It's just a relief.